Hey Klondikers! Today we're baking delicious sour cream cupcakes. Let's start with the batter. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt, a little vanilla sugar, and some sugar. Whisk everything together until smooth. Next, pour in the oil and whisk again. Add sour cream and mix until fully combined. Now, sift in the flour along with baking powder or another leavening agent of your choice. Whisk until the batter is nice and even. Pour the mixture into cupcake molds. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, about 355 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 to 25 minutes. While the cupcakes are baking, it's the perfect time to harvest your crops in Klondike. Now, let's make a quick frosting. Combine cream cheese with powdered sugar and mix until smooth and creamy. Once the cupcakes have cooled, spread the frosting on top. For an extra touch, drizzle with melted chocolate and decorate with a fresh strawberry. And that's it! Your sour cream cupcakes are ready to enjoy. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss more tasty ideas from Klondike.